Hey friends, it's Baci. Welcome back to Baci's Learnland. Today we have a fun adventure with this toy. Do you want to see what's inside? Come on! If we say 1, 2, 3, open up please, it'll open up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, open up please. Whoa, look at that! It's a refrigerator, and inside it seems like there's some colorful baskets. But it's all empty inside. I think if I call our friend JP, JP's gonna help us out. Ready? JP! Hey JP! Whoa, look, we found a new toy, but it's all empty inside. Can you help us please? Of course. Cover your eyes, here we go. Oh, what's JP gonna bring? Oh, a basket. Thank you, JP. You're most welcome. Remember, be kind. Oh, yes, thanks, JP. Let's see what's inside the basket, shall we? Whoa, look at that. There's so many things inside this basket. Ooh, whoa, and a little bit more. Look at that. The basket is empty now. Let's put it on the side. Ooh, I wonder what we could do with all of these things. Great idea! Why don't we sort, which means organize things by color, of course. But first, I think it's important to know which colors we're going to be working with. All right. Oh, right, the baskets. Let's see. This is the color red. This is a red basket. This is the color orange. This is an orange basket. This is the color yellow. This is a yellow basket. Ooh, move these aside. This is the color green. This is a green basket. This is the color purple. This is a purple basket. All right, look at that. Fantastic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. All right, let's get sorting. Ooh, I like this one. Do you know what this is? It's a carrot. What color is the carrot? Yes, it's orange. Right here. Nice. Okay, what about, oh, yummy, yummy in my belly. These are bananas. Banana is a fruit. What color are they bananas? Yellow, of course. All right. We're doing fantastic. All right. Ooh, what about this fruit? It's orange. Oh, and it's also called an orange. That's funny. Look, we found 1, 2 things that are orange. All right, maybe. Can you find something that's purple, please? Yes, over here. Look, these are purple grapes. Also a fruit. Let's put them inside the purple basket. What about, this sweet pepper? Shall I put this pepper inside the green basket? No, because these peppers are the color red. We're doing really well. What about this one? This looks like a strawberry. Can you point where the strawberry should go, please? In the red basket. How fun is this? Oh, let's keep going. Wait, there's another grape. Yes, shall we put it with the purple grapes? No, because grapes can come in different colors. In this case, these are green grapes. Yes, look, we put one thing in each basket. How fun is that? Radish. Oh, yeah, these are radishes. Peculiar. Where should we put the radish? Yeah, they're purple. Boink, boink, boink. Inside the purple basket. A tomato. Oof, I love tomatoes. I love to put them in my sandwich. What color is the tomato? Red. Way to go. What about in my sandwich? I also like lettuce. What color is the lettuce? Green, of course. If I were to look for something that's yellow, would corn also be yellow? Yes, corn is also yellow. We're doing fantastic. Are there peppers? Are these peppers the same color as the other ones? No, these are orange. The other peppers were red. All right, doing fantastic. Crunchy, crunchy. Where's our apple? Where should we put that apple? Yes, with the red fruit and vegetables. Cheesy, cheesy, yummy, yummy. What color basket should the cheese go? Yes, in the orange basket. I bought more cheese too. Should we put in the same basket? No, although it's the same food, it's a different color. This is yellow cheese. We're almost done putting our food away. What about this onion? Where should we put the onion? That's right, it's a purple onion. So let's put it in the purple basket. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, I make a sour face when I eat this juice. It's a lemon. Where should we put the lemon? Of course, in the yellow basket. Ooh, broccoli. Oh, so crunchy and delicious. Where should we put the broccoli? In my belly? It's just a toy. Let's put it back in the green basket. Ooh, peculiar. Look, this is silly. It's a purple apple. So silly. Ooh, let's put it in the purple basket. Ooh, oh, another apple? Jeez Louise, it seems like we're apple farmers. Where should we put this green apple? In the green basket. Whoa. Oh, we almost forgot one. Look, it's butter. Where can we put the butter? In the yellow basket. Whoa. Last but not least, we have a lot of drinks. Look at that. Whoa. All right. Where should we put this one? We're going to go a little faster. We put this in the yellow basket. Where should we put the drink? Yes, it's milk, and it's in a red container. We'll put it in the red basket. What about orange juice? It's orange too. Let's put it in the orange basket. What about the grape drink? It's purple. Let's put it in the purple basket. Ooh, last but not least, yes, it's some apple juice, but this one is green. Let's put it in the green basket. Oh, yummy jams. Look at that. Scrumptious. This is some strawberry jam. Shall we put it in the yellow basket? No. Let's put it in the red one. What about this grape jam? We better put that in the purple one. What about this orange one? Let's put that over here in the orange basket. Last but not least, this pickle jam. Oof! Yes, it goes in the green basket. But before we close our fridge, we have to put all our fruits and vegetables and drinks back inside. Let's put it. We have the red basket. Oh, almost didn't fit. Whew. Then we have the orange basket. We can do it. Oh, yes. Then we have the yellow basket. We have the green basket. And we have the purple basket. We did it, friends. And don't forget, there's many more adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's close this because it has to stay nice and cool. Yum. Thanks for playing. Bye.